Okay, once again, this is Jigs from Jigsneth Cellphone Repair Shop. So this will be a quick video about the charging port. So on your screen is a charging port ng Huawei CU and U29. So most of the time, natanong tayo ng customer, Kuya, bakit madaling masira ang charging port? First of all, dahil yan ang madalas na ginagamit natin, and sometimes or always ay misuse. Okay, as you can see here, nagkaroon na ng gap between the charging pin and the connection sa motherboard tong dalawan to. Okay, so kapag ganito ang nangyari, there will be a disconnection between the charging port and the connection to the motherboard, and this will cause problem sa ating cellphone. If you will ask, ang dami naman palang connection niya. Yes, marami siya. And also, sa Samsung marami din siyang mga pins. And for the Androids, there are 5 pins na makikita mo dyan. And yung dalawa dyan is usually for the supply, and the other 2 is for the data connection. So, bakit nasisira? Usually kasi pag misuse, yung wini-wiggle pa natin, no? Inuga-uga natin. Pag nag-charge po tayo, wag na po nating uga-ugain. Isuksok lang kung isusuksok, hatakin kung hatakin. Kasi ang nangyari, nagiging brittle yung tingga natin, yung solder natin, and it will loose sa pagkakasolder doon sa motherboard. Ganyan po ang nangyayari, naglo-loose siya. So, in late, pagdating ng mga month, yan, sisira na siya. So, yun yung madalas. Yung karaniwan namang nasisira is yung nasa loob nito, which is plastic, nadudurog din. Okay, so hanggat maaari, wag na pong i-wiggle. Kung isasaksak ang charger, isaksak lang. At kung tatanggalin yung charger, tanggalin lang. At syempre, sa pang madalas na nagiging problem, china-charge habang sa cellphone. Iwasan nyo po yun, because it will not only destroy your charging port, pati rin po yung battery nyo is masisira din. Kasi when you are in that mode, yung cellphone natin is kumukuha ng supply directly from the charger. Okay, and kung nangyari yon, ang nangyari na nababaliwala yung battery, and by that time, dun po unti-unting nasisira yung charging port natin. So, yun lang po ang share ko dito, and once again, kung may mga pa-repair po kayong cellphones, pakidala lang po. Right now, we are located here at Blumentritt, Santa Cruz, Manila, Jigsneth Cellphone Repair Shop. We do repair Android phone, iPhone, iPad, and laptop repair. So, have a great day everyone. Bye.